Ever wondered what it feels like to wander through the charming streets of Poland, where history and modernity blend seamlessly? Imagine being in a place where every turn takes you to a story waiting to be discovered, a dish waiting to be savored, a spectacle waiting to be admired. Welcome to this splendid journey through Poland. Start in Warsaw, Poland's vibrant capital. Behold the royal castle, a majestic monument that proudly bears the marks of a tumultuous past. Walk down the royal route, lined with palaces, churches and manors, each more enchanting than the last. Feel the pulse of the city in its modern skyscrapers and bustling shopping districts. Next, venture into the historic city of Krakow. The main square, one of Europe's largest medieval town squares, is a spectacle to behold, especially under the soft glow of the setting sun. Visit the Wawel Castle, a symbol of national pride, its grandeur echoing tales of kings and battles. A trip to Poland would be incomplete without a visit to the UNESCO World Heritage site of Wrocław. Known as the City of Bridges, Wrocław is a city of islands and waterways, boasting more than 100 bridges. It's a city of vibrant squares, Gothic architecture, and enchanting hidden corners. Now let's take a moment to talk about the Polish cuisine. A true feast for the senses, Polish food is a blend of hearty and sophisticated flavors. Taste pierogi, a delicious dumpling filled with a variety of fillings. Savor bigos, a hearty stew that's a staple of Polish cuisine. And let's not forget the Polish vodka, renowned worldwide for its quality. Moving north, Gdansk awaits with its picturesque harbor and colorful facades. This Baltic Sea port city is a gem of Gothic architecture, with its ornate churches and grand town hall. Here, history is as palpable as the sea breeze. Finally, journey to Zakopane, nestled at the foot of the Tatra Mountains. This town is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers, offering a range of activities from hiking to skiing. Breathe in the crisp mountain air and soak in the breathtaking views. In summary, Poland is a country of diverse landscapes, rich history, and mouth-watering cuisine. From the bustling city life of Warsaw to the peaceful mountain town of Zakopane, Poland offers something for everyone. So, why wait? Poland is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Make your next travel destination Poland and discover the charm and beauty this country holds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more travel content.